Welcome to the June 2026 Early Works Construction Update for the Etango project. Construction and development activities continue to advance strongly, with significant milestones achieved across safety, early works, infrastructure and detailed engineering. Safety remains the foundation of everything we do at Etango. Our contractor workforce now exceeds 560 personnel across 4 Namibian contractors. During June, the Bannerman team and its contract partners achieved 1.1 million lost time injury-free hours on the Etango project. Bulk earthworks continue to progress in line with schedule and budget expectations and are now approximately 92% complete. Activities remain focused on the heap leach pad and associated process solution ponds, while work on the wet plant terraces continues to expand. Production of heap leach drainage aggregate continues in line with the broader construction program, with stockpiles continuing to build ahead of future placement on the heap leach pad. Aggregate production has now reached approximately 29% of the total required volume, with all materials continuing to meet the required specifications. Concrete construction activities continue across key dry plant infrastructure areas, with major processing facilities now beginning to take shape across the Etango project site. The primary crusher structure, which forms the first stage of the processing circuit, continues to advance, with foundations complete and structural concrete now progressing above ground level. Across Phase 2A works, construction continues on the stockpile tunnel, crushing and screening facilities, fine ore silo and associated conveyor infrastructure. The stockpile tunnel walls have been completed, with work now focused on the front wing walls and roofing. Approximately 60% of the total concrete volume for the current contracts has been poured, with more than 10,800 cubic metres of concrete cast to date. Significant progress is also visible across the secondary and tertiary crushing area, with the structures now taking shape in line with detailed design models. The rapid transformation of the site is particularly evident around the secondary and tertiary screening structures. As work continues across both phases, permanent infrastructure is becoming increasingly visible, demonstrating the strong execution of the early works program and continued project advancement. The fine ore silo now stands approximately 36 metres above the ground, becoming one of the most prominent structures on site. Construction of the Etango gatehouse is progressing well and remains on schedule. The gatehouse is one of several non-critical works subcontracted to local Namibian-owned small and medium enterprises, supporting local business participation in the development of Etango. Construction of Phase 1 of the permanent water supply pipeline continues to progress strongly and is now approximately 87% complete. Fabrication of the Swakop River Bridge is underway, with all thrust blocks and structural concrete complete. Final backfilling of underground pipe sections is also underway. In early June, Bannerman signed the definitive Etango permanent water supply agreement with NamWater. Detailed engineering continues to progress, with the acid storage facility 69% complete, dry plant design 94% complete, and wet plant engineering 28% complete, remaining on schedule for final construction drawings later this year. The Etango project continues to gain momentum as construction advances and permanent infrastructure takes shape across the site. Each milestone brings us another step closer to becoming one of the world's next major uranium developments. We look forward to sharing further progress in our next update.